Hello children. Now today we take the next topic. Delegation means delegation of authority. Delegation refers to the downward transfer of authority from a superior to subordinate. How one superior means top level management delegates the authority and duties to their subordinates means managers, then after managers comes the supervisors and then workers. So this is how the delegation of authority is done in the downward transfer. It is a prerequisite to the efficient functioning of an organization because it enables a manager to use his time on high priority activities. Because of delegation of authority, top level management delegates all the work duties to the lower level, middle level workers, so they have time to think about the future planning of the organization or for the expansion of business. They have time to take decisions for all these higher activities. So here is the definitions according to Louis Allen. Delegation is the process a manager follows in dividing the work assigned to him so that he performs that part which only he can do because of his unique organizational placement, can perform effectively so that he can get others to help with what remains. One can perform the task effectively if he knows each and every step of his task. बट कुछ ड्यूटीज ऐसी है जो उनको दे दी लेकिन नहीं आती हैं तो वो डेलीगेट कर देंगे, मीन्स आगे फॉरवर्ड कर देंगे. So here is the elements of delegation. There are three main elements of delegation of authority, that is authority, responsibility and accountability. Authority means authority refers to the right of an individual to command his subordinates and to take action within the scope of his position. जिस मैनेजर की जो पोजीशन है, जिस स्टेज पे वो है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो अपने सबॉर्डिनेट्स को कमांड करेगा, मीन्स उनकी ड्यूटीज़ उन्हें बताएगा और उनको मिस्टेक करने पे he can punish them also in some or the other way. Then second is responsibility. Responsibility is the obligation of a subordinate to properly perform the assigned duty. Authority means right होना, right to delegate the work to other person, and responsibility means responsibility पूरी जिम्मेदारी के साथ अपना टास्क कंप्लीट करना. जो भी ड्यूटीज सुपीरियर ने सबॉर्डिनेट्स को दी हैं वो उन ड्यूटीज को कंप्लीट करना विद इन द टाइम लिमिट एंड विद द available resources. Then accountability. Delegation of authority undoubtedly empowers an employee to act for his superior, but the superior would still be accountable for the outcomes. So accountability implies being answerable for the final outcomes. मैनेजर ने अपनी अथॉरिटी के थ्रू रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एंड ड्यूटीज अपने सबॉर्डिनेट्स को डेलीगेट किए हैं. डेलीगेट किए मीन्स ट्रांसफ़र किए हैं, लेकिन जो भी वर्क सबॉर्डिनेट करेगा उसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मीन्स अकाउंटेबिलिटी, जिम्मेदारी मैनेजर की ही होगी कि जैसा उसने बताया था वैसा सबॉर्डिनेट ने वर्क किया. अगर कुछ गलत होता है तो उसके लिए मैनेजर ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगा. So these are the three elements of delegation. Now the importance of delegation. First is effective management. Delegation of authority empowers the employees. By empowering the employees, the managers are able to function more efficiently as they get more time to concentrate on important matters. By delegating his work, by delegating the work to their subordinates, the managers can get time or to work more efficiently for the work which are assigned to them. Then employees development. Delegation allows the employees to develop those skills which will enable them to perform complex tasks. Tough task complete करने के लिए भी उनको जो टाइम और रिसोर्सेज दिए जाते हैं उससे वो उनकी स्किल डेवलपमेंट कर सकते हैं. मीन्स अगर उन्होंने स्किलफुली वर्क कंप्लीट करके दिया पूरी मेहनत से तो उनका ऑटोमेटिकली स्किल डेवलपमेंट होगा. देन मोटिवेशन ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़. Delegation helps in developing the talent of the employees. So it motivates the employees to do hard work and they feel encouraged and tries to improve performance in future also. Then facilitation of growth. Delegation helps in the expansion of an organization by providing a ready workforce to take up leading positions in the new venture.